We're Jack and Em, and we live full-time in our caravan Valerie. Jacko, what are you doing?
Watching these people in front of us. There is fish. There's got to be fish. Or where I've been flicking on these snags because they're watching the sound and setting up. Setting up camp. And these the windows in the caravan are one way, so you can spy. And no one can.
Not in a creepy way though.
No one can see you.
Just on the fishing spots.
No one can watch you watching them. Nah, they're off.
False alarm?
No, not up there on that snag to the right. They're on. We can't flick it now that they're gone.
I've been in the caravan most of the day today, and I came outside and the lawn's been mowed. How good's that? It's been a quieter week for us here in Kununurra, and we've been enjoying a few slower days. The caravan park that we're staying at is almost empty. There's only a few other people here, so we're making the most of that before dry season rolls around and everything starts picking up again. It's been really nice to be able to go for a swim in the pool and not have 50 other people in there. I've been going for lots of walks along the river and just reading and swimming in the pool. Saw a couple of bats on my walk the other day, so that was fun. And I've been catching up on a bit of washing because we've finally had a couple of dry days and I can hang things outside without needing to have them under the awning still getting wet, because for some reason the rain seems to be blowing in sideways, so everything ends up damp anyway, so that's been really nice. We've visited a couple more waterfalls and of course made a couple of trips out in the tinny, because as Jack would say, going out any less than once a week is simply not okay. I think some of the waterfalls we found this week that you'll see in this video are probably some of our favourite yet. So overall, I guess it's been a pretty good week. Sausage stingers, lunch. These waterfalls are all off of the Upper Ord River, so if you're wondering if you should have a boat if you're visiting up here, then the answer is 100% yes, because it's probably one of the best things to do around Kununurra, I would say. And if you don't have a boat, as long as you have some sort of four-wheel drive or someone who can take you, then you can still get to places like this one. So I guess you don't miss out too much without a boat. But I'd still recommend it if you can. I think Jack's misread the weather forecast again, because he said, oh yeah, no, there's definitely not meant to be any rain until lunchtime. And it's just started sprinkling. We're gonna get wet again! Captain?
Ready for what? Watch out for crocodiles.
Pardon?
Watch out for crocodiles. You climbing in this thing.
Well, we're in the Upper Ord and everyone keeps telling me that there's only freshies in here.
Done that a time or two, haven't you, little mate? Crystal clear.
There's never an option to run. Oh, Geronimo, tears keep on falling, the night time is out. Oh, Geronimo.
we loved this hidden little waterfall, and we were really lucky. We had it all to ourselves until right at the very end. So I think that was pretty special. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.